Here are 4 bedroom design trends that will give you a cozy designer look in your home. Bedroom design trend number 1, use natural materials like cotton and linen. For 2021, the focus is on soft, luxurious, and eco-friendly bedding like linen and cotton. These natural materials are an ideal choice that's cozy, contemporary, and on trend. My favorite pick for soft, luxurious, eco-friendly bedding is from Pottery Barn. Their new line, the soft cotton striped handcrafted quilt, is all about texture. For the linen option, there's the Belgian flax linen duvet. Both are fair trade and sustainably sourced, so they check all the boxes. Finish your look with pillow inserts. Purchase 3 26-inch square pillow inserts, add a lumbar pillow, and change your look with pillow covers. I'll provide all these options in shopping links below. Bedroom design trend number 2. Add a bench at the foot of your bed. Adding a bench at the foot of your bed is not only on trend, but also practical and stylish. It's a great place to sit and put on or take off your shoes. And when it's time for bed, it's the ideal spot at night to place your decorative bed pillows. You should have at least 6 to 8 inches of space on either side of your bed. For a queen size bed, your bench should be around 45 inches wide. For a king size bed, it could be around 60 to 65 inches wide. Here are some benches that are on trend for 2021. I provided these benches in a shopping link below. Bedroom design trend number 3. Place an area rug under your bed. Placing an area rug under your bed adds more definition as well as character to your bedroom. The most important factor in selecting the right area rug for your bedroom are the dimensions of your bed as well as the size of your room. Leave 10 inches of space between the nightstand and your rug. That way the pattern can be seen at the foot of your bed. For a queen size bed, an 8x10 rug is the perfect size. For a king size bed, you can increase the size to a 9x12. Last but not least, bedroom trend number 4, hang curtains from the highest point of the wall. Hang your curtains from the highest point of the wall to open up your bedroom and give the appearance of a larger room. Choose 108-inch window panels for 9-foot ceilings and 120 inches for 12-foot. Your curtain rod should also be wider than the width of your windows and frame the edge without blocking any light. Measure 8 to 12 inches out and your windows will appear larger. The Shade Store has great contemporary options for custom window treatments 120 inches and above. Shop IKEA and Pottery Barn for non-custom options. The most on-trend curtains for 2021 are sheers, linens, and cotton window panels. They'll give you a trend-setting light and airy designer look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if I solved any of your design dilemmas in the comments below, as well as which trend was your favorite. If you need more personalized design help, take my Define Your Style questionnaire, also provided in a link below. Subscribe to this channel for more videos on design tips for your home, seasonal and holiday decorating, and the latest furniture trends. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, thanks for watching.